Hello everybody, this is Joel Solo. Today we're at the first part of the historic Donner Tunnel, completed in August 1867, and the first train passed through it on June 18th, 1868. Upon arriving to the tunnel, your eyes take in different colors and textures of exposed rock. In this dark tunnel, you have to understand some of its history as to how it came to be. Only then can you imagine the poor immigrant Chinese workers who were brought to the U.S. for this one purpose, to lay the foundation for the Central Pacific Railroad tracks. The most difficult tasks were performed by these workers alone, lighting fuses for dynamite to blow through parts of the Sierra Mountain which stood in their way, working in the harshest of weather conditions, moving loose rock and dirt with little time for sleep and rest. 4 years without a day off. Many of the workers died and were buried along the track. Okay everybody, we're at the main entrance of the tunnel. It is absolutely amazing in here. The camera does not do it justice, but I hope you guys like the pictures. The travel during winter time is a little treacherous because of all the ice and the snow, but we brought these snow track clip-ons, and I tell you what, they are doing the trick on this snow. Even Catherine was able to get out here easy, no problems. Okay, we're gonna walk a little bit farther inside and give you a little more view. Walking into this tunnel, created about 155 years ago, you can't help but get this heavy feeling. I tried to picture the Chinese workers with their drills, shovels, and buckets, working in the snow and ice. Is there anybody down there? Anybody want to talk to us? Hello? I thought I heard like a yeah. This is Joel Solo TV, reporting live from the historic Donner Tunnels. It's hard not to feel some sort of presence in this cave because of all the men it took.
But you feel it the deeper you go.
It is. The deeper you go, the more haunting it feels. And
It wasn't so bad at the beginning, but now I'm feeling it a little bit.
just think about all the people that worked on this tunnel and how many lives it took. I mean, it's so huge.
Ice alert, don't walk right there.
Okay, yeah. If you come up here during beginning of February, be aware there is ice everywhere. You will need some sort of clip-on to get around. Yeah, people, it's just amazing. Just amazing in here. Okay, we're going to continue a little farther down. If there's this part here is an unedited section of the video that has a complete spirit box session. Hello, how are you? If you could, come speak to us. We have a recorder. We can hear you, and we will translate it later. If you are lost and you're trying to make it home, we would like to hear about that. We would like to hear you. Any suffering that anybody might have went through while building this tunnel, we would like to hear about that too. And we promise we won't scare or bother you if you don't want to be bothered. go.
Yeah. Here goes.
There's it.
Xbox.
Oh, you got it. Wow, this makes a lot of sound.
You know this guy, get it started.
Just press this one here. Start scanning.
I'd go ahead and record. There, oh, that's why volume was down.
Hello, is there anybody here that'd like to speak with us? I like how we're getting zero video. Is there anybody in here that would like to speak with us? Please come over to us and we can hear you now. Hello, my name is Joel. What's your name? If you try and come over to this light over here, I know it's bright, but we will be able to make contact with you and you can speak with us. My name's Joel. What's your name? Nothing. You try it again? Yeah.
Put on that Hello? We come here in peace. We just want to try and speak with you. Can you come forward, say hello? Tell us your name.
Scanning. AM.
Hello, sir. Can you come over here and talk to us, please? That's right, Stephen.
Anybody passed through this tunnel? Long time ago. Anybody?
Hello, my name is Joel. What's your name? If you could come over here and speak to us, that would be great. Did you work in this tunnel for a long time?
You remember this place, Truckee?
Well, I just saw it running. Oh, so look at you. That's somebody.
Oh, Truckee,
Oh, I
California?
heard something.
Yeah. Did you work in this tunnel? Must have been really hard work.
You walk a little farther. This way.
Hello? I think you're trying.
Yeah, we hear something. Try a little harder to come through, please.
We would really like to speak with you.
Go a long way. We know that you're here. Do we need to come back at a different time? Can you tell us what you did in here?
What kind of hard work was it? Because we know you worked very hard, almost to the point where you got sick. Did you work in here during winter when it was really cold? Or summertime?
Just amazing. Just amazing.
Hello?
I'm gonna try a different.
Oh, here comes somebody. I don't know if they're gonna come in and snap and...
Hello, sir. Can you talk to us, please? Is there anybody else in here with us? Well, no spirit box action. It's disappointing, but I like to prove stuff, you know, if it works or not. I'm glad that it's not picking up radio in here, because that would be suspect. But how could it, deep inside this tunnel? So this is what we do. We go out and we check, and hopefully we get evidence. It seems like there is something in here. I hear it kind of skip or miss a little bit every once in a while. Can we take a little farther walk down? And just hold on to it. Let's see what happens.
Okay, we're gonna stick with you. We're gonna try and get you to come through and walk a little.
You're here.